Hey guys, this is your on channel named Rajasthani Commerce Youth with a different vision of enlightenment. I want you place for the pregnant people to solve pregnant questions. In this video, I'm going to put my whole effort to teach you again the chapter called Royalty Accounts. This is the second video for this chapter video series. Okay, in my previous video, I told you the chapter called Royalty Accounts, in which we discussed these 7 different and several topics. In my first video, I have already completed practical questions without a strike year, in which I have mentioned two practical questions. Okay, we have already looked to practical questions in which journal entry, how to pass journal entry regarding royalty accounts and making journals and transferring from journals to ledgers account. I have already told you the meaning of these terms, these 4 terms. Okay, so today we're gonna get our hands on this next topic, which is practical questions with a strike year. Okay, in order to understand the meaning of strike year in such chapter which is called royalty count, let me recall your memory regarding this diagram, okay, which I have made to understand you, to perceive you the difference between the lessee and lessor. Okay, like in my previous video, I have told you that we named this person whose name is Mohan, okay, and he owns this, okay, land or property, and also willing to lease out his property to gain some money. Okay, now the another person who is also willing to acquire lease, okay, from someone else whose name is Sohan. We named him Sohan. Okay, now after the agreement, this Mohan, who is lesser as well, leased out his property to the lesser whose name is Sohan. Okay, so now for 20 years, this person whose name is Sohan, the lessee, gonna take over lesser's property, okay, in order to gain some money. Okay, so here we can say as well that the person Sohan gonna take over his property for 20 years. Now while in this 20 years, if some kind of phenomenon like a strike, okay, occurs in his factory, that will also, okay, that will also affect his production, his work. Okay, so after that impact, the lessee won't be able to make money for that certain period in which the strike occurred. Okay, so for that spell, who want this Sohan, the lessee, won't be the lessee won't be able to pay the amount of minimum rent to the lesser. Okay, so in order to ease his, okay, in order to ease his, who's the lessee's, you could say, responsibility regarding paying the minimum rent or the royalty amount, minimum rent or the royalty amount, he has right, which is given by the lesser, that if such kind of phenomenon like the strike and other thing occurs, which directly affect or impact on the production, due to which to he's not able to gain anything for the certain period, then in case the minimum rent amount, okay, minimum rent amount which is fixed by the lesser to the lessee, okay, the lesser to the lessee, while being in contract, that amount will be reduced proportionally proportionally or a basic proportionally or a very certain percentage. Okay, it means the minimum rent amount will already be reduced as per the agreement, signed by the lessee and the lesser, will be reduced proportionally. Okay, for that spell, for which the strike occurred, okay, for which the strike has been taking place for that spell, like in a year, throughout a year, the strike occurred in the factory, in this factory, for 3 months. Okay, approximately 3 months. So now the minimum rent is payable to the lesser for a year. Okay, it is fixed for a year. Now it is payable to the lesser for a year. So throughout the year, in throughout the year out of the year, this strike occurred in the factory for 3 months. Okay, for 3 months, simply for the 3 months, the the minimum amount will be reduced for the 3 months. Okay, I'll tell you later how to calculate that certain amount, okay, certain amount of minimum rent, when we will take on the questions. Okay, so we are done with here. Okay, the amount of minimum rent will be reduced proportionally or a certain amount of percentage, on the basis of certain amounts of percentage or proportionally. Now let's go on the question. So this is our question to solve out. As I have mentioned earlier in my previous video that I have the question in bilingual, okay, in multilingual for your convenience in English and Hindi, okay, as well. But I'm gonna go with Hindi, not English, okay. Now the question says Anil holds a lease of a coal mines for 10 years commencing from 1st January, okay, 1st of January 2014. According to the lease, he is to pay 75 paisa per ton, okay, per ton of the coal raised as royalty with a minimum rent of 50,000 per year. Short working can and however be recovered out of the royalty, in the excess, okay, out of the excess working of the next 2 years only. It means short working can be recovered, okay, in the subsequent 2 years only, since the year the short working incurred, okay. So in the year of strike, in the year of any strike, the minimum rent is to be reduced to 60%, okay. This is the first way when the question will be given, like in which the minimum rent will be reduced as per the percentage, okay. It will be given like in the percentage, and there may be like in on the basis of month, okay, on the basis of proportion on the month, okay. So like here in this question, let's go ahead. The output for the 6 year has been as follows, like in the year 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Output in tons, output came out 10,000 tons in the year 2014, 12,000 in the year of 15, 28 in the year of 16, 25 in the year of 17, 50 in 18, and in the last year, which was 2029, in which the strike has been taken place, as you can see here easily, then it is asked that write up the necessary ledgers account in the books of both parties, like in the books of ledger, in the books of lessee, and in the books of lesser as well, assuming that the books are closed on 31st December each year, okay. So what we're going to do here, this is the answer, okay. Answer practical question with strike here, okay. As usually do with any question in search, in chapter which is called royalty account, first of all we need to prepare an analytical table to find out the deficiency or excess working, also find out the actual payable amount to the lesser, like we have already done in the previous video. They have to make analytical table and why, okay. So same thing here we're gonna do here. 5 different columns: first column for the year, second one for the actual rent, third one for the minimum rent, fourth one for the short working, when deficiency and excess working amount will be displayed, and recoupable amount and unrecoupable, and the amount which is payable to the lesser directly, okay. Now for the year 2014, how to calculate actual royalty amount I have already mentioned in my previous video, okay. Once again, see here that you just need to multiply the output, okay, belongs to the different year, the output with the rate of the royalty, okay. Here you can see 0.75 per ton, 0.75 per ton. I hope you can see it easily. 0.75 per ton, okay, coal raised, okay, or the output comes. Now 10,000 multiplied with 0.75, as you can see 7,500 rupees. In the year of 2015, 12,000 multiplied with 0.75, 9,000. 2016, 28,000 multiplied with 0.75, 21,000, okay. And in the year of 2017, as you can see, 25,000 multiplied with 0.75, 18,750. And in the year of 2080, 50,000 multiplied with 0.75, 37,500. And the last and final year, 15,000 multiplied with 0.75, 11,250, okay. In the year of 2019, in which the strike has been taken place. So here you can see, next see the concept of minimum rent account. Here we have to take minimum rent account for all the year, okay, for all first 4 years except the year in which the strike has been taken place, okay. Just leave that one and take all the 4 years, okay. In 4 years, the minimum rent amount of rupees 15,000 will be payable similar, okay. The similar amount of minimum rent amount, 15,000 rupees, okay. Like as you can see here, in the first year, like in the year of 2014, 15,000, and 2015, 15,000, 16, 15,000, in the 17, 50,000, in the 18, okay, 15,000. It will be similar, okay, in all over the year except the year in which the strike has been taking place. Now see how to deal with the strike year, okay. It's just a little concept here that you just have to take the amount of minimum rent, okay, like it is 15,000 per year. As you can see, the minimum rent of 15,000 per year is payable, okay. Now but But if if any strike occur, if any strike occur, the minimum rent, the minimum rent is to be reduced to 60%. Okay, so here we have to reduce the amount of 50,000, okay, the amount of minimum rent of 50,000 by 60%. Okay, and when you will go and calculate it by 60%, okay, you will find out this amount. Okay, you just have to do 20,000 multiply with 50,000 multiply 60%, 60 upon 100. Okay, then you have to find out a value. You just simply have to deduct it with 15,000 rupees, and finally you will get your amount 9,000. Okay, so simply you just have to do. And after figuring out that amount, okay, this amount for the final year, you just have to adopt all the way, you just have to go with all the way I have already taught you earlier in my previous video. Like you just have to simply see the difference between the minimum rent account and the actual royalty account, okay, amount. And whatever is bigger, like minimum rent is here in this one in the year of 2015 is bigger, so it will be considered as short working amount just because of the actual royalty amount is less. Okay, and whatever the less amount is here, it is less by 7,500 rupees, so that amount 7,500 rupees will be paid by the lessee from his own pocket, and that is the concept of short working. Okay, behind the short working. Now as you can see in the year of 2015, 9,000 and 50,000, okay, which is greater 15,000, and that is the amount of minimum rent. Okay, so again the short working incurred, and that is of rupees 6,000. In the year of 2016, 21,000 and 15,000, which is greater. Now in this one case, in this year 21,000 is greater. Okay, now we have excess working amount of rupees 6,000. In the year of 2017, 18,750 is greater than the 15,000. It means the royalty, actual royalty amount is greater than the minimum rent amount. And here we can see the excess working of rupees 3,715. In the year of 2018, you can see 37,500 is much bigger. It's a big difference between the actual royalty and the minimum rent amount. So we again see excess working amount of rupees 22,500 rupees. Now in the final year, we have to simply here again make out the difference. Okay, you have to do the difference between the actual royalty amount and the minimum rent amount, and simply we figure out the amount of excess working, which is 2,250 rupees. Okay, now simply we just need to do this. Now moving on the next two column, which is represents the recoupment amount, okay, whatever amount has been recouped, and unrecouped amount of short working. Okay, now let's see the terms and condition regarding the short working is given the question by the examiner. Here you can see easily that however recouped, here you can see short workings however can be recouped out of the royalty in excess of the two years only. Okay, it simply means that short working amount if occurs in any year can be recouped out of the 2 years, 2 years out of the two subsequent years excess working amount if any occurred in the future. Okay, like in the year of 2014, here you can see the amount of short working, okay, in deficiency of rupees 7,500 rupees. Okay, now that amount can be recouped as per the terms and condition given the question, that can be recouped out of the subsequent 2 years excess working amount, like which occurred in the year of 2016. Okay, just because in the year of 2015, here you can see 66,000 amount of short working as well. Okay, so this is also a negative amount. You cannot recoup uh, the first negative amount out of this. Okay, just because it is short working as well. Now you have to find out, is there any excess working occurred in the upcoming year, in the forthcoming year, so that you can recoup your short working amount, okay, out of that. So you can see as per the terms and condition, we have already figured out that in the year of 2016 there is an excess working amount of rupees 6,000, so you can easily recoup your amount, which of amount of short working of rupees 7,500 which occurred in the year of 2014. Okay, now you can't recoup the whole amount like 7,500 rupees just because of you have only 6,000 amount of excess working, so you can recoup only 6,000, and the rest of 1,500 rupees will be known as unrecouped amount. Okay, will be considered as unrecouped amount just because of, as per the terms and condition, we are only able to recoup our amount of short working in the forthcoming, in the subsequent 2 years, only in the subsequent 2 years short working amount. Okay, and as per that terms and condition, we are done here in the year of 2016. Our you could say our terms and conditions are ended. Now moving the next years short working, here you can see 6,000 rupees short working incurred in the year of 2015. As per the terms and conditions, this amount also can be recouped out of the 2 years, excess workings amount. Okay, excess workings amount in the subsequent 2 years. Now it incurred in the year of 2015, the 6,000 amount of short working incurred in the year of 2015. Okay, now can be recouped out of the short working amount related to the subsequent 2 years. As you can see, in the 2017, in the year of 2017, 3,750 amount is here as a excess working amount. Now the whole amount cannot be recouped just because of due to having very less amount of excess working. Okay, now only 3,750 amount can be recouped out of the 6,000 short working amount. Now as you can see in the recoupment amount column, 3,750 rupees have been recouped. Now the rest of amount of 2,250 rupees cannot be recouped, and we have plotted it into the column of unrecoupable amount. Okay, now in the year of 2018, here we don't have any amount of short working. Okay, so don't need to recoup that. We also have a lot amount of excess working. Now in the year 2019, you could also see we have amount of excess working, not short working. Now moving on the column of actual payable amount, as you can see, only 15,000. Okay, we are left with 15,000 of minimum rent amount, so we have to pay that, okay, as a final amount to the lessor. Here we are also left with 50,000 just because the minimum rent is over, okay, overall overpriced, so we have to pay that directly to the lessor. Okay, here in the year of 2016, as you can see, whatever the amount was there above the minimum rent amount, the whole amount has been utilized, and that was 6,000 rupees. Okay, over the 15,000, the amount was 6,000 rupees. The whole amount has been utilized. Okay, in order to recoup the short working amount relates to the first year of 2014. The whole amount has been recouped. Okay, so whatever amount is left there, that whole amount will be payable, or rupees 15,000 rupees is payable. As you can see in the year of 2017 as well, about the 15,000 amount as minimum rent, whatever amount was there above 15,000, the whole amount has been utilized. Here the whole amount has been utilized, and only 15,000 amount is left here to pay the lessor. In the year of 2018, as you can see, 37,500 above whatever amount was there, but as you can see here, we had not any amount left of short working. Okay, so the whole amount, like 37,500, would be payable to the lessor. Okay, and that is the terms and condition behind the royalty. Here you can see 11,250 amount of actual royalty. The whole amount would be payable to the lessor due to not having any account of short working in the year of 2019, despite occurring the strike. Okay, now moving on to the journal entries. In the question we are asked, in the general question we are asked, in the question finally we were asked to write up necessary ledgers account in the both parties, okay, books. Assume that the books are closing on 31st December each year, so that in the both parties books, okay, like in the books of lessee account, in the books of lessor account. And I'm not gonna do that. I'm just simply gonna pass journal entry, okay, for your convenience, just because I already mentioned in my previous video that how to prepare journal account, how to prepare journal ledger, okay, and you transfer journal to ledger account. In ledger account, in the books of lessee, you just simply have to prepare three important or prime account, like first account royalty account, second one short working, and the third one and last one the lessor account. In the books of lessee, I'm talking about in the books of lessee. But if you go in the book of lessor, you just have to reverse all those entries you used to pass in the case of lessee. Okay, in the books of lessee, while preparing lessees, while preparing all the account in the books of lessee, okay, in the books of lessee, you just have to all the entry reverse that you used to pass in the case of lessee. So simply I'm gonna tell you a bit about the journal entry, which I have already mentioned in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that video so far, please go and check out first, so that it can be more clear for you. So simply what we're gonna here, I'm gonna pass journal entry for you so that I can close this question or this topic as well. As you can see, I have already mentioned that how to pass journal entry. You just have to do, all you have to do, just pass royalty account debit, okay, three different kind of entries, okay, like royalty account debit. Here you can see royalty account debit, short working amount debit, and whatever is amount is payable to the lessor. The first entry shows how much amount of royalty is payable to the lessor. So how you gonna find out that amount is payable to the lessor? Whatever amount is payable to the lessor, you just simply have to pass royalty amount debit, royalty account debit, short working amount which just occur debit to the lessor. How much amount is payable to the lessor? 15,000, and that is the column says itself 15,000 amount is payable to the lesser in the year of 2014. Okay, so you just have to figure out, you just have to pass entry like royalty account debit, short working amount debit, and to lesser amount, how much amount is payable to the lesser, 15,000, and then payment to the lesser in the second entry that represents how much amount did you pay to the lesser, okay, for a particular year. Now lesser account debit to the bank 15,000, 15,000. Okay, just because here we have figured out in the first entry that 15,000 amount is payable to the lesser, and the second entry we have just paid that amount to the lesser. Now the royalty account, the royalty is an expense, okay, for the lessee, just because we are preparing that in the books of lessee, it is an expense and we have to charge it to the P&L account. So only we have to do pass entry like P&L account debit to the royalty account simply. Now in the next year, in the year of 2015, you have to just figure out the same entry like royalty account debit, short working amount debit to lesser. Whatever amount is payable to the lesser directly. Now 9,000 royalty account debit, short working amount debit, and to the lesser account. And here what we have just done here by passing this entry like first royalty account debit, short working account debit to the lesser account like 9,600, 15,000. Now in the next entry we have showed how much amount is payable to the lesser, okay, how much amount has been paid to the lesser account debit to the bank, 15,000, 15,000. Now in the next third entry, whatever amount is chargeable to the P&L account, like royalty amount is chargeable to the P&L account, so P&L account debit to the royalty account 9,000 and 9,000. Okay, now moving to the next year, in the year of 2016, as you can see here, now here there wasn't any short working, okay, there was excess working incurred in the year of 2016. So simply royalty account debit, okay, whatever amount is there incurred for the royalty, whatever amount is payable to the lesser, like royalty account debit, okay, to the lesser royalty account debit to the lesser, royalty debit to the lesser. In the second one, payment to the lesser, how much did you pay to the lesser? Payment to the lesser, it means royalty account debit to the bank, okay, sorry, lesser account debit to the bank, just because we are paying to the lesser, so lesser will be debited, okay, so lesser to the bank, how much we paid, 15,000 only. So what about the rest of amount? Just because of here is our 21,000, okay, the rest of amount has been charged as excess working. That was simply means that the rest of 6,000 amount, okay, the rest of 6,000 amount has been charged by lessee as recoupable amount for the short working amount, okay. So we will show it here simply in the entry lesser account debit to the bank and to the short working account. You could also write it as well like short working reversible or recoupable amount, okay, whatever amount is recouped here, 21,000 and 50,000 we have paid and 6,000 has been recouped. So as simple, like in the last entry, P&L account debit to the royalty account. Royalty is an expense, okay, so that should be charged from P&L account. So that's why we have passed this entry for the amount of 21,000. Here you can see for the amount of 21,000 in the year of 2016. Now, as you can see here, the amount of rupees 1,500 rupees couldn't be recouped, okay, which belong to the short working incurred in the year of 2014. Okay, now just because of strict condition regarding the recoupment mentioned in the question, we couldn't recoup this amount, okay. So now the amount gone like unrecoupable amount, okay, so it is also an expense for the lessee. So this expense like short working amount also will be chargeable with the P&L account, okay. So it will be shown in the P&L account on the left hand side as an expense, okay, of rupees how much, 1,500 rupees, or rupees 1,500 rupees. Now in the year of 2017, the same thing you have to do as you have done in the year of 2016, okay. And another amount of short excess working incurred, okay, there wasn't any short working, so simply royalty account debit to the lesser account. How much amount of royalty is payable to the lesser, 18,715 and 18,715. In the second year, lesser account debited to the bank, how much amount we have paid to the lesser and how much amount we have recouped as an recoupable amount, okay, of rupees 3,715. 15,000 was payable to the lesser and the rest of amount will be considered as recoupable amount, okay. So this is like recovering amount back, okay, of the short working. Now in the year of 2018, let's talk about in the year of 2018. In the year of 18, so simply you can see in the year of 2018 there wasn't any excess working, there wasn't any short working amount. Here is the whole amount of excess working itself, okay. So the whole amount like 37,500 would be payable to the lesser. So simply pass entry royalty account debit to the lesser account, 37,500 and 37,500, the whole amount will be payable to the lesser. Now paid to the lesser, how much amount we have just paid? 37,500, 37,500. Okay, whatever we have discussed here, the how much amount is payable to the lesser, that is amount payable to the lesser. In the third entry, P&L account debit to the royalty, we just charge with P&L. Okay, just because as an expense we have to charge it to show it in the P&L account. Okay, 37,500 or rupees 37,500. Now in the last year of strike year, simply you have to do as you have done in the year of 2018. Okay, strike year just put impact working while working on preparing the analytical table. Okay, or preparing the analytical table only in the column of P minimum rent. Minimum rent, it simply means it only affect to the minimum rent. Okay, like reduce 60%, 70%, or proportionally on the basis of months throughout the year. Okay, it only affect to the minimum rent, and the rest of columns or rest of thing, it doesn't affect. Okay, now you just have to simply pass entry, like I have already said that here, royalty account debit to the lesser account. Okay, 11,250 rupees, 11,250, 11,250 rupees. Now payment to the lesser account debit to the bank account. Okay, simply the whole amount is payable to the lesser, just due to not having any amount of short working. The whole amount of actual royalty is payable to the lesser. Here you can see 11,250, 11,250. In the end, eventually, you can see again the royalty which we're gonna charge from the P&L account as an expense for the rupees 11,250, 11,250. So here I have already done how to pass journal entry. Okay, in the books of lessee. Okay, when the examiner asks you to simply working the both parties books, like in the book of lessee, in the books of lesser, you just have to simply reverse all these entry with a different name. I have already mentioned in my previous video, like royalty will be known as royalty receivable. Okay, in the books of lesser, and short working would be known as you could see royalty reverse. Okay, royalty reverse or reserve, and the rest of thing will be similar. Okay, so you just have to reverse those entry, all these entry, whatever you here, like lesser account debit to the royalty receivable or to the short working or royalty reversible account, just like you just have to reverse that. And all the account in the books of lesser account will be displayed with a different name, like royalty in the books of lessee. Okay, you prepare royalty account, short working amount, and short working account, and the last one lesser account, these three accounts. Now in the books of lesser, you just have to change the name, like in the place of royalty account, you have to write down royalty receivable account in the books of lesser, and in the on the name of short working, you have to just write down royalty reversible account or reserve account, and in the last one lesser in the books of lessee, as you see. But in the book of lesser, you will already write down lessee account. Okay, just because of both parties will affect each other's account. Okay, due to having a trade between both of them, and that is known as royalty. Okay, that is the amount of actual royalty. So here we are done with this topic, practical question with the strike year. I already mentioned how to deal with the strike year. Okay, so simple, only with impact on the minimum rent. It only put impact on the minimum rent. Okay, and the rest of thing will be as it is, and just have to simply pass out the journal entry. And in the book of lessee, okay, similar three account, royalty account, short working amount, and the last one lesser account, just as simple. Okay, so here we are done here with our another topic. Okay, as you can see. So if you really like our video, please subscribe my channel as soon as possible to get further notification regarding such videos. Thank you very much.